Top 5 Bizarre Mental Disorders. Number 5. Jerusalem Syndrome. Jerusalem Syndrome is the name of a disorder in which a person, of any religion, suffers psychosis-like symptoms after visiting the city of Jerusalem. The disorder manifests itself as delusions and obsessions usually related to religion. The majority of sufferers have been found to have previous histories of mental illness. Number 4. Capgras delusion. The Capgras delusion is a bizarre disorder in which a person believes that someone they know, usually a loved one, has been replaced by an identical imposter. It often occurs in sufferers of schizophrenia, but it can also appear in people suffering brain injury or dementia. Number 3. Fregoli delusion. The Fregoli delusion is the opposite of the Capgras delusion. In this case, a person believes that different people in their life is the same person who appears in a variety of disguises. It is named after Leopold Fregoli, who was able to make quick changes between scenes when acting on stage. Number 2. Reduplicative paramnesia. Reduplicative paramnesia is the belief that a location has been duplicated, causing it to appear in two places. Occasionally the sufferer believes an area has been relocated elsewhere. For example, the reduplicative paramnesiac may think the hospital he was admitted to has now been moved to a different part of the country. Number 1. Cotard delusion. The Cotard delusion is an extremely rare disorder in which a person believes they are dead. In some cases they believe they are alive, but lacking vital organs. It is named after Jules Cotard, who first described the disorder in 1880.